see it, Days? Look outside. You see the birds? Do you see them? Look. There's one. There's the birdies, Daisy. Are they? The birdies? There's the birdies. There they were. There's birdies. Do you see them? Damn, Daisy, you're weird. She does this nearly every time there's birds out there. She's the only one that does it. Henry doesn't do it. Luna doesn't do it. And Fritz doesn't do it. She's the only one that does it. He's just mad. Crazy, isn't he? Do you see them? Look, there's some. Look. Sometimes you don't even have to convince her to do this. You probably can't hear. I've got a hand on the speaker. Do you see those birds? Those birds. She's seriously making this bird. See those birdies? Oh, you're so cute, Daisy. You're so cute. Where did the tail go? Where's that tail? You poked this one's belly, she meows. It's really funny. And she was lying on my bed a minute. What are you doing? This isn't out of the ordinary for Daisy. When we first kind of had her and I was around about 7 or 8. That's not when we got her, I was like 4. But when I was 7 or 8, she used to pour at the window every morning. We used to say she was just cleaning the window. She just purrs like that naturally. Look at Fritz. Fritz is just sitting there, looks like a bean. Meow. Meow. These are the types of noises. Oh crap, this video is 2 minutes long.